Assalamu alaikum, sir. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum
Sir.
assalam. Please have your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So your good name?
My name is Nida Naeem.
Okay. Nida, introduce yourself.
My name is Nida Naeem. I am 12 years old. I come from a village namely Tumana, and I study in class 7 at Champur Futuristic School, Kralpura, Kufara. This is my third attempt and first interview. My father's name is Nasir Ahmed Kidlal, and by occupation he is a teacher, currently appointed at BHS Tumana. My mother's name is Naima Mushtaq, and she is a homemaker. I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. My brother's name is Abu Daim, and he studies in grade 6 at Champur Futuristic School. My sister's name is Iman Naeem, and she studies in UKG class in the same school. Apart from this, my aim in life is to become an IS officer, and I do have some pretty hobbies of reading books and writing. My strength is that I never give up, and I'm a determined person. And my skills are that I can mimic everyone, whosoever I can copy and other things. This is all about me.
Okay. So, Nida,
Yes.
as you said, you are good at mimicry,
Yes.
right? So, mimicry, what exactly is mimicry?
Ma'am, the way the other people behave, the way they talk, and all the things about them, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Copying them.
Yes, ma'am.
So, have you ever observed like some animals around you, they also show mimicry?
Ma'am, I have observed animals also, but I'm not too good in mimicking animals, but I do mimic my classmates or sometimes my teachers also.
Okay, you cannot mimic animals.
Yes, ma'am.
But I am saying that animals show mimicry and camouflage.
Yes,
right?
ma'am. They
So why does they show so? We show it just to show the fun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But why do animals do so?
Ma'am, animals show camouflage. First of all, this is their adaptation or capability, ma'am, to do so, and then they show it to escape away from the prey, or if they want to catch a prey, they camouflage to get their food, ma'am. If they want to save themselves from a predator, they camouflage and they blend up with their surroundings, ma'am.
So in nutshell, we can see that mimicry and camouflage is just to avoid the attack from predators and to feed on the prey. Fine. So can we get a little bit idea about exchange of gases in our body? So we have. What's the organ concerned with exchange of gases?
Ma'am, there is a proper system for that, and in alveoli, the real gas of exchange of gases is happening, ma'am.
So alveoli, when we come to alveoli, we see where it is present.
Ma'am, it is present in the lungs, ma'am, bronchioles. It is a sac-like structure, ma'am.
Okay. Why our lungs need to be in a thoracic chamber?
Ma'am, they need to be in a thoracic chamber so that they would be protected from any of the attack, or if from being hurt, from getting hurted.
So how many pair of lungs does we have?
Ma'am, two.
Two pair of lungs.
Sorry, ma'am, one pair of lungs.
One pair of lungs. Okay, we have right lung and the left lung.
Yes, ma'am.
So, which lung is actually smaller in size?
Ma'am, left lung.
Why so?
Ma'am, it is smaller in size so that it could provide a proper space to the heart, ma'am. Ma'am, if the heart is not getting proper space, it could not function properly, ma'am.
So, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So, any idea about soil profile?
Soil profile, ma'am, the kind of soil, ma'am, the horizons it consists of, like, ma'am, B horizon, A horizon, the layers of soil, ma'am.
Okay. What's the difference between a humus and a litter?
Ma'am, humus is the organic matter, ma'am, of which is which we get from the nature or by the dead and decaying plants and all things, ma'am. And later it could be the waste of human beings also, and it could be plastic and all things.
Okay. Litter is what we have actually just did as a waste material on the surface of Earth. Okay. Have you heard about forest fires?
Yes, ma'am.
So what causes the forest fires?
Forest fire could be caused by two natures. Human beings also because of two causes. And human beings can also be the reason, and by the nature. But ma'am, it's mostly caused by the human beings because ma'am, the global warming is increasing. And for example, taking example that whenever people go to visit a forest place, they do eat something, and even for they burn there the bonfire, ma'am. Because if any of the spark is left there, that can also, because the surrounding of forest could be with dry leaves, it could be surrounded with dry leaves and all things. Ma'am, that small spark can also cause the forest fire.
So do you feel that's a natural method or it's an artificial method?
Ma'am, it is an artificial method because it is done. It is a mistake of human beings only.
Okay, so there was a reason for natural forest fires.
Ma'am, natural forest fire could be because of because of thundering or lightning also, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me, do we have special forests present on our planet Earth that act actually as lungs of the planet Earth?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you name that
Ma'am,
forest?
tropical evergreen forest is
Tropical evergreen forest. Are you sure about it? Where they're located?
in this tropical regions. They are located in
Amazon is called the lungs of
yes,
the
ma'am.
earth.
Lungs of the planet Earth. Okay. So, can you tell me, is Amazon forest considered as hotspot or not?
Ma'am, I'm not sure about it.
What is a hotspot?
Ma'am, I haven't heard this term before.
Okay. Well, coming to your another section, let's see. What's your aim in life?
Ma'am, I want to become an IAS officer.
IAS officer. Okay. So, what is the scheme of being an IAS officer? Why you choose this profession?
Ma'am, first when I was in grade 5, ma'am, my tender age of 9 to 10 years, from that time I wanted to become a doctor, ma'am, because I was really inspired from my cousins and my family members, as most of my family members are doctors only, ma'am, in my relation, all those. So then when I saw last year, I saw the movie of movie 12th Fail of Manoj Kumar Sharma sir. I was really inspired from from his wife Shraddha ma'am, and even him also, ma'am. Then I built the love for UPSC and all the things, because I want to change my society, ma'am, and I want to help the women and poor people. That's
very nice approach. Okay. So, what subjects you would be pursuing after 10th?
Ma'am, after 10th, I would like to go with medical, ma'am, and after graduation, I will do this UPSC. I'll go for it.
For UPSC.
Yes.
So in UPSC, what you want to be, and see, we have different posts for it. So what point you want to be appoint yourself for?
Ma'am, as an IAS officer.
As an IAS officer. Okay. Which area? See, if you are being provided a platform that you have to serve, J&K, you have to serve other states. Which state you will choose?
Ma'am, I would like to particularly choose J&K.
Since you are considering that I want to work on humanity grounds,
Yes.
right? But humanity is everywhere. It's not limited to J&K only. It's limited to Delhi also. It's limited to UP also. So, are you center focused
Yes, ma'am.
towards J&K?
Yes, ma'am.
Why so?
Ma'am,
If you are an IAS officer, you have to treat that everyone is equal. You have not to be part like this is my state, this is the next state, this is that and that stuff.
Ma'am, I actually wanted to be in Jammu and Kashmir due to some reasons, ma'am, which I have observed by myself, ma'am. I have seen many beggars and mothers even, ma'am, who are crying to get treatment so that they can to get treatment so that and for their husbands, ma'am. Many of the husbands of wives, they are sick, ma'am. In even some families, due to some families, ma'am, I've seen many families who are struggling, and particularly my area, ma'am. A woman, she's suffering from a lot of poverty and all the things. Ma'am, first of all, I would see on the ground basis, ma'am. Then I would see to rest of the people. First, I'll see that what is happening in my surroundings. I will try to recover those things, and then I'll do all the things step by step.
That you can do by doing your service outside of the state also
But sir,
at personal level.
yes, sir. I want to be the
Because the situation that you are describing, that's not for only our state.
Yes, ma'am.
Other states are even facing the worst of this.
Yes, ma'am.
So I guess being a good human being, you must actually keep your vision like I want to serve the humanity.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So that is what will actually intentionally take you to your destination.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have not to be self-centered.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question.
Okay. So have you heard about the great Chanakya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ये बताइए चाणक्य का क्या contribution था?
Sir, Chanakya was teacher of Chandragupta, sir, and he taught him to fight against Nalanda, sir. Sir, actually,
Nalanda or Nanda dynasty?
Nanda dynasty, sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Nanda, king of Nanda dynasty, because he wanted to take revenge from him, as he said to him that when he went to his court for some work, he disrespected him, sir, and he opened his kind of pony they were making at their backs. He opened that and said that I'm not going to tie it till that time. Till the time I'm not going to take revenge from you. So,
What was the work of Chanakya?
sir, he was a teacher. And
उसकी बुक क्या थी? बुक का नाम जो उन्होंने लिखी थी?
sir, I'm not able to recall. Sorry, sir.
Okay. अच्छा
ये बताइए ज्योग्राफी में
Yes.
जब हम देखते हैं when you look at the interior structure of the earth, could you please tell us the layers, the name of the layers, the interior structure
Sir,
of the earth?
crust, mantle, and core.
Crust,
Mantle
mantle, and core. Okay, fine. Acha, coming to atmosphere, what are the layers of the atmosphere, the structure of the atmosphere?
Sir, atmosphere is troposphere,
Hmm.
exosphere,
Troposphere के बाद
Troposphere.
कौन सा स्फीयर आता
stratosphere,
है?
mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.
ओके, ग्रेट. अच्छा, क्लाउड्स, ये जो आपका साइक्लोनिक रेनफॉल,
Yes, sir.
वेदर फिनोमेना, ठीक है, these things happen in which layer?
Sir, these happen in the troposphere.
Troposphere. Great. Okay, what is democracy?
Sir, democracy is for the people, by the people.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's a kind of government, right?
Yes, sir. government.
Okay. Have you heard about the great Abraham Lincoln?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who was he?
Sir, he was the person who fought for the people of USSR, and then he was also chosen as the president. Sir,
What was the problem in United States of America at that point of time?
sir on the basis of color, sir, people were discriminated.
Okay, and what was the issue?
Sir, they were telling that the black people of Africa, they were considering them as slaves, and people of sir, in the markets they were sold as slaves, sir,
Okay.
for thousand or for basically for money, sir. They were sold as the slaves.
What is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, sir, it is a kind of cryptocurrency.
Okay, have you heard about the great APJ Abdul Kalam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who was he?
So he was known as the missile man of India.
You mentioned discrimination. What is discrimination?
Sir, when the people are divided on the basis of, or they are treated badly on the basis of color, caste, or on the grounds of gender, sir.
Okay. In current scenario, right? Let's talk about Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes.
What do you think is the most that you see or you can feel that today discrimination is happening with the youth of Jammu and Kashmir, like with the reservation system? How do you match the reservation with the discrimination? Is it good or is it bad?
Sir,
Or is it important? And why we should have reservation, and if it is not, why we should not have reservation?
Sir, first of all, talking about the reservation, sir, it is given to the tribal people, sir, like Pahadis and Gujars, sir. Sir, there was also conflicts between Gujars and Pahadis for the this ST or SC, sir, reservation. I think, sir, a reservation is good for the people who are living in the tribal areas, but the government should keep a check that those people who are getting proper facilities also, and they are still taking the advantage of reservation, that is not good, sir, for the youth, because the common youth, which is in the general category, sir, they are working hard for the posts, and then they are not getting, because due to some reasons, due to the selfishness of people, sir.
So you mean reservation is good only for particular section of people?
Yes, sir.
Where it is
Needed.
where it is needed,
Yes.
not for all the people, those who get the facilities, right? And then they take advantage of that category, and okay, but
So, Nida, can you brief up about what's Tornado?
Tornado, ma'am. Ma'am, tornado, it is a ma'am, it is a natural calamity which consists of huge windstorm, ma'am, and it is it can erode everything, even trees, plants, and all the things, ma'am. Whatever comes in its way, and it is really very dangerous.
How is different from tsunami waves?
Ma'am, tsunami waves that are caused in the water, ma'am, due to the that are caused in the water, and whereas ma'am, tornado, it is a terrestrial basis. It's happening on the land, ma'am.
Can you actually differentiate between what is climate and weather?
Ma'am, climate is a long term which lasts for 20 to 30 years, whereas weather is a term, it is a short term, ma'am, which could change in hours or.
Nida, it was a very nice interaction with you. So, looking for your success. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Great.
Thank you, sir.